Hey NayNaySquad. So starting off with some e.l.f. concealer just to cancel out my eye color, and then setting it with the Airspun powder. Now going in with this peachy color, and this is going to be my transitioning color, and I'm just going to blend that in my crease. Going in with this palette called Love Your Selfie, and I'm going in with that light brown eyeshadow color, and I'm going to blend that in my crease. Now going in with this red wine color, and I'm going to blend that in my crease as well as blending that color in my outer corner. Now going in with this cranberry eyeshadow, and I'm going to blend that in my crease and also my outer corner. Now going in with the LA palette nude one, and I'm using that brown color, and I'm going to put that in my crease and kind of in the outer corner of my eyes as well. Now it's time to carve out our lower lid, and I'm going to use the e.l.f. concealer and a flat brush, and we're just going to carve our lower lid just halfway. Going in with this glittery eyeshadow from Pop Beauty, and I'm going to put that on top of the concealer that I already put on my lower lid. Now going in with that brown eyeshadow, just blending that glitter out, and then I'm going to go in by my waterline, and I'm just going to blend that brown eyeshadow in there just to give a smoky effect. After, I'm just going to use the L'Oreal's 24-hour mascara, and then I'm going to line my lips with Vintage AOA Studio lip liner, and then I'm going to go in with some matte nude lipstick from Wish, and then I'm going to put some brown eyeshadow that I used in my eyes to make it smoky. I'm just going to use that on my lips to darken my lip color. Thank you all for watching this video. Love you guys so much, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
You make me wanna